Awesome. Hi, everybody. My name is Nathan Camarillo. I'm a senior product manager on the Living Room team. And today I want to tell you more about our technologies and some of the great improvements our team has recently made to enable new experiences in the living room. Our first product was the Chromecast, and it was the top-selling streaming device, including streaming boxes in 2014. That momentum continued into 2015, and we introduced a new Chromecast and Chromecast Audio. The new Chromecast has better Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, a better physical design for behind-the-TV connectivity, and upgrades our Chromecast app to surface all the great content, apps, and games that you love. We built a larger ecosystem of devices, from televisions to set-top boxes like the Razer Forge TV and NVIDIA Shield, and audio devices powered by Google Cast for audio. All of these products continue to see tremendous success. We're always improving the developer experience by unlocking even more opportunities to extend your games to the living room. And televisions with Android TV already built in, like the Sony Bravia, are proving very successful and give you all the power of the Android TV platform with Google Cast built in. Simply put, Google is already in the living room. Come join us if you haven't already. We're here and will continue to be here in the future. So first, let's talk about Google Cast. Google Cast is designed to use your mobile experiences to drive entertainment experiences on your home devices. People love using their mobile devices and tablets to find content quickly without the cumbersome chore of setting up all their accounts and trying to find content with a traditional slow remote interface. And Chromecast is really easy. You just pick content using the apps you already know and love, you tap the Cast button, and you enjoy the content on your TV. A Google Cast game extends this concept to gaming and enables multi-screen gameplay between mobile devices and television. People love games, so much so that it's the most popular category by far of all apps in the app stores. But gaming on the TV is not always that easy or cheap. You'd need a device that's a few $100s like a console, or you have to buy a remote or game controllers for every player. Wouldn't it be so great if I can just play games, any of the mobile games I usually play on my phone, on the TV? With Google Cast, you can. It leverages the power of your phone to render great gameplay on your TV with just a $35 device, or you can cast it to your Android TV. And we made it easy for any mobile game to get on the TV with Google Cast. That's why we created the remote display APIs for Google Cast. There's millions of mobile devices with powerful GPUs and sensors ready to send amazing interactive content to the largest screen in the home. With the remote display APIs for Google Cast, this is now possible. To make it extra simple, we released a Unity remote display plugin in the fall. There's a Unity plugin sample to get you started, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can extend your existing Unity game to the TV. With all of our technologies, you'll find online tutorial videos, all the documentation you need, code labs, and more. And if you enjoy developing natively for Android, there are lots of endpoints out there for you to reach with Android TV. Android TV is scaling rapidly with more partners across many regions. That means more set-top boxes and more smart TVs to run your great gaming experiences. Android TV can power everything from high-end experiences like Razer Forge TV and NVIDIA Shield set-top boxes, creating AAA immersive gaming experiences such as the upcoming release of Borderlands the prequel straight from the console world, to profound opportunities to do D-pad-driven simple games with even a larger reach across all endpoints. As mentioned earlier, since every Android TV is also a Google Cast endpoint, there are many ways to extend the gaming experience into living rooms all around the world. And what does this mean for you as a game developer? Across all of our technologies, when games and apps are connected to the TV, we see increased engagement, stronger monetization, and because the living room is inherently social, multiplayer games that result in more downloads for you. Because you can utilize the reach of these devices, all the power of the platform like payments already exists for you. The party is just getting started, and we're saving a seat just for you. The living room will continue to be a very exciting place, and we'll be there with you. Thanks, everybody, and allow me to introduce Cliff, who's going to come up here and speak next. Thanks.